Mantis Titan unboxing. Box is cool. Open this up here. All right. Must have opened it with that up. So have the TitanX. And also extra magazine. And this Titan already has MantisX in it. So there's no extra pieces that you need to get this going. Oh, looks like it has an optics ready plate on it. And yeah, we can make some adjustments from there. So removable magazine. You could do some mag changes. This is already working. I don't have to charge this up. And so, about to have some fun. Let's get it. So this gun actually comes in right about the size of a Glock 19-ish. So I carry a Glock 45, and yeah, this fits right into the holster as normal. This is the additional mag that comes with it. So put this on, and we're about to do some holster draw analysis. See what this feels like. Gonna be two to this target, one to the head, one to the head. Had to make sure it's not ready yet. So standby, holster. What you're able to do with this Titan is so much more. So I'm gonna do more holster draw analysis, even holster draw analysis with multiple shots. I'm gonna be doing this from about 3 yards within this conference room. And you know, that's gonna be my target there. Just to see, again, this is about the size of a Glock 19, and it fits perfectly into my Glock 45 holster. And I also like the fact that the trigger itself. That's the trigger shoe for the safety. Has the slack, trigger reset, everything you need. A's on. Like that. Holster firearm, always holster slowly. Ooh, just outside C-zone. Right there. Average time was 1.35, but not previously with the regular MantisX. So I'm gonna change the drill, repeat. All right, that's something that's definitely new. Why is that important? Well, pretty much, while you're doing dry fire, you were never previously able to do multiple shots, especially because once you broke through the trigger, that was it. What we're getting ready to do right now is actually the one reload one. So this is gonna be performed from the low ready. What I have to do is shoot at the target, perform a reload, get back to the target, press the trigger all the way through again. So I have second magazine here ready. So let's go ahead and let's go on.
Reload.
Right. Again, that's something that's really new. I like it. It gives the opportunity to really do more and have some variations to your palette of what it is that you want to do, how you want to train. Some of the other drills that I see here, especially in the transitions, you got the El Presidente drill, You got the failure to stop, FTS, the box drill, V drill, pyramid drill, 1 of 5, triple threat, 6 plate, 3 plate, plate altering, plate transition, and plate transition variation. There are a bunch of different things in here where I think it really refreshed what Mantis was offering and what they decided to put into this. Final thoughts. I really do like that this is familiar with what it is that I already carry. Again, fits right into my current holster, my current setup. Like the additional magazine. I feel like Mantis took the idea as far as having the additional drills and the dynamic transitions and different things that they did with the Blackbeard X. I feel like they were able to adapt that over to the, honestly, I mean, the magazines themselves are actually really good. I don't know if it will be worth it to have them a little bit heavier, but they are really very familiar. I love the fact that it's optics ready. Unscrew the plate, put your optic on top of here. It's pretty much on point right out the box, so it's not too much that you should have to adjust with windage and elevation. And I wish, being a lefty, that I could move this magazine release to the other side so I could hit it with my thumb, but that's not anything that's gonna take away from my experience. I see a lot of utility with this. You know, live fire is always king, but you know, when it comes down to dry fire, there are generally limitations with dry fire. Either you have to buy a special magazine to be able to, you know, let your trigger set, or you have to get, like, which I'm a big fan of, the tap rack tool that you put in your magazine. Or what this is able to do, able to put you on the right track of, I think is definitely worth it. And this is something that everybody should have in their household, especially if you're serious about training. If you can't always get to the range, you got to do something at home. You have to do something. If you don't have a Glock, but you know, especially if you do, this is perfect. If you don't, you should be able to get used to any shooting platform anyway. So get used to doing that. The way this is set up, so if I did have an optic on here, it'll fit right in there. And we have that there. So I'll package this all up. I recommend that you get the opportunity, especially for the holiday season, you take a look at it. This is something that you could definitely do with the family. No matter what shooting level they're at or skill level, or whatever the case is, this is something you could definitely do with the family.